Hello my young friends. Today we'll discuss with the position vector of a point in a two-dimensional plane or in a space. Now let we are taking a point A and there is a vector A is defined here. So we write, so when there is a vector is defined at a point, that question asked in our mind that what is the length and what is the direction of this vector. To get the direction and the length of the vector, we will always consider a point O, which is called origin. Now, if we join from O to A, so we get now from OA is the direction of vector A and its magnitude is the length OA. Now let OB, O is the origin. Here we are taking 2 points A and B and their corresponding position vectors are A and B. Now, by using vector A and B, we want to find the vector AB. And we write here that vector AB is equals to B minus A. That is the position vector of B minus position vector of A. Now how it comes? By addition of two vectors, or you can say that triangle law of vectors, you can write that OA plus AB is equals to vector OB. Now, vector AB is also you can write that OB and minus OA. Now, vector OB is B vector minus A vector. Now, discuss some properties of addition of two vectors. First of all, vector addition is commutative. Commutative means if you add A plus B and that will be equals to B plus A. How? Look at this picture. This is O, origin. We define a vector A from O to A, then define a vector B from A to point B. Now if you join, what you'll get? A plus B. Now if you draw the complete the parallelogram and this B vector OC is parallel to AB, so we get B here and CB is equals to vector A. Now from O to C, C to B if we move, now we are getting B plus A is equals to again OB vector. That is, so we are coming to the conclusion that A plus B is equals to B plus A. Now vector addition is associative. That is vector A plus vector B plus C whole. So let this vector is our A and this is vector B and this is vector B and this vector C. So addition of B and C will get from A to C. Okay. So this is A plus B of C. Now the other way, if you move, that is first A plus B, then we are getting this is A plus B and then C, then also we are getting this AC. So hence A plus B plus C whole is equals to A plus B whole plus C. In vector, we are getting an additive identity, that is zero vector. If you add A vector with zero vector, you are getting A vector. So, and also 0 plus A is equal to A. So, 0 vector is the additive identity. Now, if we define a vector A, for every vector A, there exists a vector minus A. So that when you add vector A, this is vector A, and vector of minus A we are moving from A to B, and B vector, as it is negative, the direction will be changed. So B to A, we are moving from B to A. So ultimately we are coming to the original position, and we can define this vector as O vector. So A plus minus of vector A is a 0 vector. Minus A is the additive inverse of A. Okay, thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.